Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be showing you guys the Lauren Jauregui hair and makeup look. And if you don't know who she's she was a member of Fifth Harmony, a member. And also I'm doing it differently, like comparing to her like in the red carpet or just like in one of her music videos with the group. And yeah, let's jump right into the video.
So I'm taking my Too Faced foundation and I am applying this on my skin and I'm blending it in using my fingers. Then I take my Maybelline concealer and I put this under my eyes to prevent under eye circles or any blemishes. And I take my Mary Kay pressed powder and blend all over my face. Then I take my Too Faced Shadow Insurance and I am just applying this onto my eyelids. And then I'm rubbing it in using my ring fingers to make sure the eyeshadow stays on all day. Then I'm taking my Boss Lady Agenda and I'm using the shade called Christmas Dream and apply it onto my brow bone and blend it into the inner corner. Then I'm taking the shade called Love Actually and blending it onto the crease and outward. And then also I am applying it onto my lower lash line. And then I take the shade called Party Over Here and using my finger, I'm just blending it in on my eyelid. And by the way, I'm using my finger because it's very easy for me to blend. With a smudger brush, I'm taking the shade called Pine Cone and blend it onto my lower lash line. Then I take my Too Faced mascara and I apply it on my top and bottom lashes. Then I take Chocolate Soleil from the palette and blend this onto my nose, my temples, my hairline, and also my jawline. Take my Sweet Peach palette in Peachsicle and I'm just applying this onto my lips. And then I'm taking my Too Faced setting spray to make sure my makeup stays on all day. Then onto the hair, I'm starting by brushing out my hair just to get rid of the knots and tangles. Then I'm taking my heat tamer spray and spraying it all throughout my hair so I don't damage it from the heat. Then I take my bedhead curling wand and I'm just brushing out my hair to distribute that. And to curl the hair, I'm just sectioning off my hair. And by the way, I take a section of hair and I just curl it away from the face. And while your hair is rotating, while your hair is still in a wand, I just rotate my wrist. So I just wrap it around and flip, wrap it around and flip. And no worries, I'll stop talking while I have super speed powers. And I also forgot, like, once it's done, land it into the palm of your hand, and yeah, bye. We're different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing the little hope, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. We set out on a mission to find our inner peace, make it everlasting, so nothing's incomplete. It's easy being with you, sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different and the same. Gave you
there's no place I'd rather be. Yeah.
Once all your hair is all curled, I'm just brushing it out with my fingers, and I'm taking my Garnier Petite hairspray to make sure that my curls last all day.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! I got my ticket for the long way round. The one with the prettiest view. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm perfect.